This just in, we received a parcel. I think it's fabric. All right, so I did order fabric, and I'm hoping this is it. This legitimately could be something else. I'm just so fair warning. I ordered some fabric. I was looking for tiger fabric to make bucket hats, maybe for water polo. And I came across, I didn't find anything I liked. Like I looked and looked and looked. Even on like Spoon Flower, I was looking. All right, so I'm gonna undo this.
Like the sites that you can get your own fabric printed?
Yeah, it didn't, well, I just knew that it would take weeks and weeks and weeks. Every time I order from them, it takes a long time.
Yeah.
So I saw this place. It's called Handicraft Palace. Their website is like handicraft-palace. whatever. I'll put it down below. And the weird thing is the more fabric you added, the cheaper each fabric got. The math didn't math. Not gonna lie.
Like sheen for fabrics?
And this is how big this is. So like,
there's not much in it.
How much did I order? Okay.
You were talking this up.
I was talking this up.
I don't know what's in it.
No, I just was like, oh yeah, I ordered fabric. And she was like,
okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so we ordered it. I looked it up about 3 weeks ago. So, and you can go on WhatsApp. They communicate through WhatsApp. And there is a way to track your shipping. And I'll be real honest, I couldn't figure it out. I had to have my wife do it. I was like, can you see this? Is this working? It's the fabric. Okay.
There's
so
a few.
It is, I'm going to cut this away. All right. It's like being birthed. Here's the thing. Now we have to birth that.
2 packages to open without cutting the actual fabric.
Yeah, and you don't want to.
Careful.
You don't want to cut the fabric.
Careful.
All right. Here we go. Getting in there.
It's like one of those mattresses that like
those
vacuum sealed and then.
Do you know you can reseal them like that? I was looking at
How?
kits where you can take them and put the mattress in the bag and then suck all the air out and reflatten them.
To send them back when it doesn't work.
No, for like when your daughter is going to move, say, for example.
Oh, interesting.
And you have to move their mattress and you only want to make one trip and you don't want to rent a U-Haul.
Do you use your vacuum?
Yeah, you should use your vacuum. You can get that on Amazon. In case you needed to know that. Okay, I'm getting there. I'm trying to be so careful. Probably can pull it out now, but. All right.
Looks pretty. Excited.
Here we go. I don't even remember what I ordered. So, all right. So this is a cotton, and it's a block print with like a dark, like blue with. That's super cute. It's like a perfect clothing weight for overalls. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's why I bought this. I thought you'd like it.
It is
and
so
it was
cute.
blue with a print. Yeah, we are definitely going to need to wash it.
Yeah.
You can smell like the process.
The dye.
The dye. Okay, so
Wow,
I'm going to have
a lot here.
Yeah, so whoop, that was deceiving. Okay, I'm going to measure it out. If you don't have one of these mats where you sew, I highly recommend it. 1, 2, I think it's 5, 3, yep, 4, 5 yards. And it is a nice cotton. It'll be soft after we wash it. Like it's soft now, and I have a feeling it's going to soften up. It was from India. It's block
really
printed. Cute. It's got blue on blue with a little detail. You like it?
It's so cute.
You want to make some heydays? Should we add that to our list?
Yeah.
Okay.
This actually goes with my color palette here.
All right. Oh, I bought 4 fabrics.
Oh.
I bought 4 fabrics, friends. All right. So the next one, I was pretty sure it's because it was pink. But let's see. So again, it's a cotton. It's a block print, so it's not going to be perfect. If you want perfect, don't buy a block print. They are made by hand.
I went to their factory when I went to India.
Mandy went to their factory. Tell us about it.
It's pretty fun to watch. We even got to make like little samples, and you literally just like put the fabric down and do your ink blots. It's cute.
This one, I'm pretty sure I bought because it was pink. 1, 2, 3. 3 yards. I figured I could make pretty much anything with it. And I would totally wear this. I'd wear this in overalls. I'd wear this in a set with like
Yeah,
a
you
top and a
would.
bottom.
It's
I would
cute.
wear, yeah, I would wear this all day long. It's got blue and pink in it with like a pop of red. Love it. I'm pretty happy with myself. And then the reason I ordered it. So I figured if it was coming from India, I had to make it worth it, and I bought more. So I then bought tiger fabric. And I'm definitely going to make bucket hats. So when our daughters played water polo together for the same high school, we made so many bucket hats.
So many.
I did order a fabric from Spoonflower with their high school logo, and it was in a perfect circle. And when I saw it, I was like, I bought it for
Top of the
something else,
hat.
and I was like, dude, that's the top of the bucket hat. If I can find a picture, I'll put it in. But we literally had like a sweatshop going, and we were making them and then selling them at the front gate.
And
when
people were buying them.
People loved
Like,
them.
yeah,
And
they
you're
were
outside
perfect.
here in the heat.
Yeah.
So, and we donated all the money back, just to be fair. So different daughter at a different high school with a different mascot. So we needed
This mascot.
tigers. So here we are. We got tigers, and we'll make the bucket hat. What was the name of that bucket hat? I'll have to put it in a picture. I don't remember the pattern off the top of my head.
Oh, we made so many.
Is it the Sorrento by LB Textiles? That's
don't
what's
know.
coming to me.
I don't know. I can't remember what it was called.
Okay, I'll put it in. But yeah, that's what this is going to be, bucket hats. And it's really cute. I wanted tigers that were small and kind of close together, because in a bucket hat, you're cutting it out, and if it's too big of a print, you're losing, bless you, you're losing all the print, the like focus. And then I thought if I needed some for the inside, I could do this. So it could be reversible, white on the inside, black on the outside. I did buy another grid fabric that I could use as well. Okay, I did buy this one also for the interior. This is just a quilting cotton, and if you look closely, it's got orange and black, and that's the colors of their school. And when we did ours last time, we had this like oddly perfect fabric that I think I had thrifted. And it was like wavy lines as a grid, and it looked like it made your mind think of like a water polo net. So I found this, it kind of gave me that same vibe. So this can go inside. This could go inside.
Perfect.
It could be a fun little bucket hat project. I bought lots of this in case other parents want some. I'll start up my sweatshop again. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we bought. I'll put in right below what I spent on each of these and how much it cost. I think I bought enough where it was free shipping, but I'll have to go back and look. That's what we bought. All right, so this is unboxing day 2. We just wanted to walk you through some of the things we didn't have for you yesterday. It has all been washed. After we stopped filming yesterday, we realized we had either the blue or the black on our hands. Like there was like a
Film. It
a
just
film,
dyed
like
them a
it just
little
dyed
bit.
them a little. So I definitely washed everything by itself. This blue, because I thought it was probably the worst offender, I did with a color catcher. I didn't want the white to become blue. You could always use a little vinegar when washing to help set your dye. But I did want to talk you through. I was a little concerned these would shrink a lot. So I washed them all. I dried them in my dryer, and then I threw them on this table. So this is how they would look out of the dryer with all their wrinkles. So I just wanted to give you a perspective. The other thing I wanted to mention that I didn't say yesterday was these are all about 44 inches wide. So they're not super wide fabrics. And that's pretty common for your India block prints. This is it in half with the salvages here. So it's 44. Now, the good news is they did not shrink. I remeasured them all out of the dryer. This one is still 5 yards. They are all still the same amount of yardage. The other thing I wanted to go over was the pricing. So Handicraft Palace, the website, when you buy just 1 yard, okay, here's the example. If you buy 1 yard of this blue one, it would have been $13.99. We bought 5 yards, which came to $35.99 or $7.19 per yard. So the price changes depending on how much you buy. Another example is the tigers. So the tigers would have been $11.99 per yard. I bought 5 yards of this one, which I didn't realize I had bought 5 yards of this one. Probably because it became $30.99 or $6 a yard. And it was free shipping. So, this one I bought 2.5. I would have probably only bought one of this. But at 2.5 yards, it was $16.99. 1 yard would have been $11.99. So I'd rather buy it for $6.79 a yard than $11.99. So, and then the last one I got was this pink one. And it also didn't shrink. The pink one is $13.99 a yard. So it came out to $7.66 a yard after I bought 3 yards. So again, I love that it's kind of a math game and you're like, oh, I have to buy more. It's cheaper. But I spent just about $100 on all of this. This one again was from a quilting store. So it is a Riley Blake design. And I think it's part of their Halloween. Oh yeah, seasonal basics. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, it was a Halloween design. Seasonal basics by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet.
So good for Halloween or tigers.
Yeah, so Halloween or tigers. Thanks, Lori. Anyway, there you go. That's the rest of our haul. That's what it's like. If you want to see the wrinkles, this is what it looks like right out of the dryer. Well, because sometimes you're like, oh, that's just going to wrinkle. Yeah, this is how much it wrinkled.
It does a bit.
It does a bit, but like the black one didn't hardly wrinkle at all straight out of the dryer. It looks
such a good weight. I like it.
I'm really excited, but we have to finish our August sewing challenge. We can't cut into all this yet.
We gotta make some hats at least.
We have to make hats.
We're gonna focus.
We're focused. We're gonna continue sewing. Have a great day.